Hi everyone, and happy 4th of July. When you're watching this, it's 4th of July, but it's actually the 3rd of July. And we're having a party tomorrow, a really big get together in honor of the special day. So I need to get some deep down cleaning going on. Plus I'm gonna show you a little dessert that I can make really easy, and you can too, with those ingredients. Let's get started. Like I said, we have about 6 families or so coming to our house. Every year we host a huge water balloon fight. And so those 6 families that come are like good friends of our family, but we open it up on Facebook to our neighbors, and they come in droves to, maybe not in droves, but they come and they bring prepared tons of water balloons. So we'll see thousands and thousands of water balloons tomorrow. And people have been texting me already and saying how many they have. I'm so excited. So it's hot here in the desert, right? So we get drenched. They bring their fireworks. We sit down, we have popsicles provided by me, and we just have a really good time. So gotta get our house ready. Let me show you what it looks like. Disaster. I've been focusing upstairs with my cleaning because I've been redoing my closet, which I will be showing you that as well. Hey guys, they're gonna be helping me. They just don't know it yet. And you can see lots of things going on here that need attention. You know, we're a family. I mean, we live here, so we all have to clean up. So the floors are gonna need to be swept and mopped, counters cleared, sink scrubbed, and then I need to get that dessert going. So super excited. Those are clean. I just got to do the sinks right now. And I'm getting closer to having a nice clear countertop. Well, it's in process. also gonna clean the inside of the microwave. So I'm just putting in a bowl, just some water and some vinegar. I need more vinegar. And I'm gonna just microwave it for about 5 minutes or so and just see if I get a good steam. So it's got good steam in here now. It's kind of filthy, I know, so sorry. But it's gonna wipe off really easy now with all that steam. Well, cleaner. And now this area is all put together again. Now we're almost done. Now we're just gonna do these counters and then I'm gonna mop the floors. Commenced. What I do is just scrub the floors, get a little lather, and then I just towel dry. These are tile floors, and so I just found that this is the best way for me to get the shine and the clean that I want. I tend to see that like Swiffers or jet spray tend to leave these floors sticky, and this is just the easiest way, and honestly it's somewhat gratifying. And we're all done. It took about an hour and the floors are mopped and couches are clean. Hi guys. I just need to do the entertainment center, but I'll get to that. Everything, oops. I see Ezra's little cup. And floors. We're just making lunch now, so of course there's gonna be more things to clean. But now I'm gonna show you an easy dessert. So I thought I would make a very, very easy dessert. It's just kind of a snacky food, but it's just a pretzel delight. And normally it has a pecan. In fact, on the ROLO bag, it has the recipe. It's so easy, I don't even feel like I should write it out, but in case you need to see it, it's here, and I know it's probably backwards. But if you're getting a bag of ROLOs, it'll probably have the recipe on it. And all you're doing is just putting a pretzel, a ROLO, and a pecan. But because of 4th of July, I thought I would put red and blue M&Ms. So you could do this really for any get-together. It could be any occasion or really any holiday. So think about that the next time you're trying to have some really easy, fun things out on the counters to feed people. But my goal now is I have to unwrap all of these. Let me get started. So this batch is about to go into the oven at 300 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm gonna pull them out about 3, and it shouldn't take that much longer than that. Some recipes say put it at 250 degrees, and then the recipe on the bag actually said 350, so somewhere around there. So I just picked 300, so they're ready. Look at all these gorgeousnesses. There's like, at least on this pan alone, 120. So I'm gonna guess about 200. But look at them, they're so cute. And they're delicious. So good. So good. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I love that you're here with me on this journey. I love to cook, and I love to show them off with you, and maybe it gives you some ideas to make some meals at your house. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great 4th of July. And also, you may want to stop by my Instagram, because I'll be putting some live feeds or some live Insta stories throughout the day on what this gigantic water balloon fight looks like. And you may recognize some people there. So thanks for stopping by and have a great day. Happy 4th of July! You never know what I'll be rolling out next.